Ever wondered what separates the truly successful from everyone else? Not just the kits, their mindset, and more importantly, their daily habits. These small, consistent actions build the foundation for massive achievements. First up, they read daily. Not just social media feeds, but books, articles, and anything that expands their knowledge. It's like a daily workout for your brain, keeping you sharp and full of fresh ideas. Next, they exercise both their body and their mind. A morning run or a gym session gets the blood flowing and boosts your energy. And for the mind, think meditation, journaling, or learning a new skill. A healthy body and a clear mind are your greatest assets. Finally, they plan their day with intention. They don't just let the day happen to them. They decide what's important and tackle those tasks first. This focus is what turns big dreams into reality. What habits are you working on? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on building your best life. Thanks for watching.